What is up, Jared? G-Scroll, welcome back to Joel Urban Gaming. Today's video is going to be GSN Casino. This is not going to be out for a while as I'm filming this. Holy crap, that's loud. I apologize. Yeah, I've already filmed one video on this thing, by the time that video gets out, this video will be out, so you would have already seen that I had to do another rebuild on GSN Casino. So yeah. Dude, I don't care about this crap. Once they get tokens for it. And we got 1,500 tokens, okay. Not bad. What is all this weird crap in the game? Like when I used to play this on my grandparents' phone, this was never a thing. Like, none of this was. And it was 3,000 tokens. Dude. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. I gotta reload the game because I'm so fed up with all this weird stuff in the game. I just play the game to play the slots and win tokens and jackpots. That is it. Alright. Dude, yeah, I'm gonna take the mystery case. Let's see. Whoa! That is a huge mystery case bonus. 22,500 is crazy. Oh my god, not this again. This is so annoying. The piggy bank thing again. Alright. Sorry for the late start there, but we're gonna start on the Wheel of Fortune so and see if we can finally land that 1,000, which I hit one time and did not save the failure. I was so mad at it. Let's see if we can finally hit that. At 3,000. Okay, we gotta get something here. There we go, 800. Some Knuckle 3 out there. Oh, come on! Okay. Free play. Oh. 600. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. 9,000. So close to the wheel again. Almost again. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna try auto spins early. Alright, come on, baby. We gotta get something here. Come on. Hey, 5,000. Let's go. Our biggest one in the slot so far. Alright, come on. Oh, free play. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, we gotta get something here. Come on. Alright. Fine. I'm not gonna waste all those things again. I'm not gonna put in 24 more hours, but just to waste them again. Alright, we've got to get the wheel of the free play or something. Yes, I am having fun with that one of us. Okay, 15,000. I'll take that. That's a decent win. I'll take that. Alright. 1,600. Come on, wheel. Oh my god. Oh, dang it. And 1,600. Oh, almost free play. 7,000. Winning a little bit here and there, but. Alright, 1,000. Almost free play again. This is ridiculous. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought it was going to be the wheel. I knew I was going to get something that is 1,000. Dude, our chances are not looking good. Dude. This is not good at all. 3,000. 2,000. Alright, come on. 9,000, okay. This is why I like going on Casino better, because it pays out more. Okay, please give me the wheel. Okay, thank God, we needed that. If we can land this 1,000, I will literally try to break. No, I'm just kidding. That's what I used to say in my old videos. Alright, come on. 1,000, please. No way. No way. Oh, that's not gonna be 300. Oh, okay, that's 30,000. I'll take that. We've had 60,000. I'll take it. 30,000 is pretty good. It's the biggest one of the video so far. Not bad at all. Alright. Come on, back to back. Oh, almost back to back. Okay. There's 2,000. Oh, we need extra wild bonuses here. Oh, 9,000 tokens. Okay. We could get another one of those fairly soon. Oh, we got 10,000. Okay. And we got 800. Okay. Come on. Come on. Ah. Alright. 15,000, okay, not bad. 16,000, 17,000, nice. 18,000, man, let's keep going up like 1,000 each time, man. Alright, we gotta get free play here or something, or a jackpot. And 1,000. Alright, come on, alright, we're 75% of the way there to level 11. From 10 to 11. Oh, we need extra wall bonuses here, okay. Oh, 6,000 tokens, oh. Alright, I'm just gonna hope for the best. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, we don't alive. Oh, free play. Oh, we need 5 spins. Yes, 5 spins, nice. Oh, we gotta get something good here. Alright. Oh, here come the extra wall bonuses. Okay. Here's where it matters here. We're at 1,200 so far. Now we're at 5,200. Come on. Oh, here's the extra wall bonuses. Now we're at 8,400, I think. Almost free play again. Still 2 spins left. Come on. Oh. Alright, last spin. Last spin. Come on. Oh. Dude, we almost had it like twice and 3 times in a row again. Hey, at least we got free play, finally. If we can get that again, that would be nice. Wheel, let's go! Ooh. That was good. That was not good. Hoping that happened, okay. Unless the wheel gave me a float track, okay. Yeah, alright, let's get the 1,000 here and forget about that. Oh my god, here it comes! Oh no! One sword. One before, 10,000 was the lowest amount you can get for paying 3,000. Oh, dude, I seriously thought that was going to be it. Okay, I think we're going to move on to another slot. Maybe Mondo Bingo. Yeah, I'm in the mood for some Mondo Bingo right now. Yeah, oh my god. I don't care about the Lucky Pets thing. Like, what the crap is this? Okay, never mind. It didn't turn me up on some weird thing. Okay, Mondo Bingo. My record is 17 bingos. Okay, so we get 12 bingos on one card. That's 500,000. That would be my biggest win. Even 375,000.
Let's play Mondo Bingo.
I had 500,000 on camera, but
Oh, 61.
are you serious? No,
G50.
that's not good.
G59.
and then,
070. 068. G53. G46.
I was so mad.
B12.
It took me so long to
I-20. G57. N43. N44.
No,
065. N45. G47. N35. I-18. G48.
G56
B5. G51.
Come on, G56.
G56. Bingo. I-26. I-23. I-19.
073.
B3. I-30.
Now we have a bunch of them.
G58.
Come on.
N32. I-16. I-28. I-22. Double bingo. I-27. Bonus time.
3 bonus balls. What can we make out of it?
B8.
Nothing there.
N39.
Okay, we gotta get a big one here.
B54.
Oh, that was our last shot at it, and we could not get it. It's alright, the 3 bingos. Alright, we're definitely gonna play again. 3 bingos. How much is that gonna get us? 3,500. Okay.
Let's
yeah,
play Mondo Bingo.
Alright.
G47. G50, B2, I-20, B11, N35, N43,
again.
I-27,
Dude, I think Mondo
I-16, B7, O71, B9, G55, I-22,
Alright, come on, we have to get this here.
G46,
Alright, what do we need
I-29,
now? Oh, we need
B4,
either I-28 or I-30.
N39,
Oh, dang it. Okay.
N38,
Oh,
N42,
oh my god, we're getting the N's here.
O68,
O68.
B8,
Come on, O65.
B10,
B10.
G53,
Dude, I'm so
I-18,
tired.
I-17, I-19,
Oh my
O63,
god.
G59,
If you actually know
N32,
bingos,
O61.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? 0 bingos. What are the chances of that? Okay, we might come back again, but I'm not playing that again for the moment. That is awful. That is terrible. I've not had that happen in literally so long. I do know those slots. That is absolute garbage what we just had right there. Bull crap. Alright, come on. Oh, we got the cases. 3K and 3K. Nice. Haven't had that in forever. Nice. And we got another win. 10,000 night 201. Awesome. Alright, so far we're on the perfect streak here. And now we're not. Back down to earth. Man, that was great though. Oh! 15,200, nice. That was very good. Come on. We're almost at level 1. I don't know what that's going to involve. We'll see. But, almost doing the bonus. Oh. And we got 6,800, okay. And sorry for hearing background noise. The people outside jumping rocks on the creek that's outside of my house. But yeah. Great. Alright, here's the spin that's gonna get us to level 11 here. Here it is. Oh no, one more spin. One more spin. Alright, there it is. There it is. Max bet. Nice. 6,000 tokens. Oh no, I want to bet 30,000. Okay, good. Do not bet 30,000. Not betting 15. Like, what the crap is that? Okay. 3,000's good. Alright. And make sure we're still recording. Yes, we are. Alright. I'm trying not to make this a 40-minute banger again. I've been doing that a lot. I kind of want to sort my videos a little bit. Oh, that was so close to the I could need to get doing over your bonus here. That would be nice. Alright, what are we going to get here? 2,000, okay. Come on, alright. Oh, okay. 2,000 again. Alright, we're not having too much luck on this one. The beginning was good, but not later on. Come on! Oh, okay, last spin. Last spin. Oh, just one more! Oh, we won something. 2,000, oh yeah, but we are moving on to another slot. I'm not going to Mondo Bingo. Oh god, what do I want to go to? No, I don't want what the crap is Dragon's gonna lose. Okay, I mean, no, I don't want to do that. I'm going to do something I'm used to. Alright, John, we have got to do something here. I can't believe that's level 53. I'm not doing Goose's Wallet. I'm so bad at that game. Level 89, too. Level 105, level 121, level 133. What? Level 15, that's not that far from me. The D-Ball was level 2 65. 95, oh my god. 150, dude, it's ridiculous. What do I want to do? It's such a limited option now. It's limited options now. I mean, come on. Alright. I guess we'll go back to Wheel of Fortune. I don't know about this, but I'm just gonna hope for the best here. Alright, we can go to the Millionaire Machine, okay. Now I'm gonna go to the Millionaire Machine. Try and get 50,000, 9,000 max. Alright, let's see if we can get it. I'm gonna go right here. Alright, gonna get in that jackpot for 50,000, come on. Tumble over, oh, okay, 7,000. That's the second best regular amount. Alright, I wonder if I can do the 1,000. I have to do 142 bets. Oh man, okay. Hey, at least we got to do it once and got 7,000 out of it. It puts us in better position than we were. Now, I can really say the Millionaire Machine on this channel. I should do that more often. I don't know. I'm going to see that more often. Alright, come on. We have got to get something good here. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god. Wheel! Oh my god, please give it to me. And we're going to get 4,000. You dead better give it to me. Dude, I swear, come on. Did it count it? Yes! Yes! We got it, baby. Alright, we have to win that 1,000 more. If we actually get that, oh my god. Come on, 1,000. Come on, 1,000. Oh, that's coming around. And, oh, 300. That's a good one you're going to get if you're going to miss the 1,000. That is 60,000 right there. That was excellent. Biggest win in the video again. That was excellent. 64,000 right there. So we had the 4,000 before. Unbelievable. Free play. Oh, dude. That was kind of back where we started a little bit, honestly. I didn't want to stop there. I'd spit all over the screen. And it's only going up by 1% now. Oh! That should be good. Alright, 7,000. Alright, come on. Alright. Replay! Oh! Alright, come on. Oh, that should have been something there. Alright, come on. Oh, oh, we need extra wild bonuses here. Come on. Yes, extra wild bonuses. Okay, now hopefully it actually gives us something. Oh! 60,000 more tokens, guys. Unbelievable. There we go. Okay, now we need to get it back up to 200,000. Build up our bank here. If we get the wheel, then we're guaranteed. Oh, no way. Back to back. Oh, okay, that would get us right at 200,000, basically. And just to go back down again, but okay. Okay, come on, keep it over that. Alright, we're in a pretty good position right now. We used to have over 1 million, and I've gone way downhill, and I apologize about that. And I've now had to do 2 rebuilds. So yeah, 6,000. Come on! Oh, alright. Alright, maybe we'll get the wheel. Come on, wheel. Wheel of Fortune. Come on. And we're actually not too bad of a position right now, to be honest. Alright, come on. Jackpot! It reminds me of Roblox Arcade whenever I'm saying jackpot. We need to say that with the swap machine, to be honest. Alright, we have to get it here. We have to. I believe we got the wheel. Yes! Okay. Our biggest win was 64,000. Now let's see if we can get something bigger. Alright, come on. Come on. 1,000. Come on. It's not going to get to 1,000. Not 75. Okay, okay. We got 30,000 again. That's pretty good. We'll take that. Alright, now we need to get it to 200,000, then we're golden. 30,800 to be exact. Okay. Come on. Alright, come on. 5,000. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get it. Alright, 9,000 tokens. Alright. Oh. Alright. Alright, come on, we have to get something here. Last spin. Oh, I gotta do one more. Free play. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. That the pay line doesn't go there, but that's stupid. Now, we're not ending like that. I'm just gonna go until I don't win something the third. Oh, that's oh! Alright, just go until we don't win something. Alright. Well, we did pretty good that session. We've had a few decent runs, but alright. And now let's go back in Mondo Bingo and hopefully redeem ourselves.
Let's play Mondo
Dude, I swear to
Bingo.
God, if we choke again, that would be bad.
Oh, 61.
Alright, that's a pretty good start.
G52. N41. N42. G49. B3. B15. G55. B4. B14.
Oh,
067.
nothing again.
075. G58. G50. I-24. I-30. N33.
Alright, come on.
I-28.
You gotta get some
066.
bingos here, you guys.
I-20.
Energy score. Come on. Oh, 071.
N43.
Or 064.
G51. I-18.
Dang it.
074.
Oh, we need
B7.
071.
N45.
Alright, come on. Oh, now we need a
N32.
bunch. We need a
G60.
bunch of stuff here. Dude, we
G48.
need zero bangers again, I swear to God.
G46. B9.
Uh-oh. Oh,
N40.
we have to get something.
Bingo.
Oh my God.
Bonus
It is a miracle.
time.
It is a miracle, guys.
B11.
Unreal. Yeah, we got one bingo, but at the last second. Guys, that's gonna guess maybe 500, I'm not sure. 1,000, okay.
Let's play Mondo Bingo. N37. I-28. B8.
We're off to a rough start on this one.
067.
That wasn't bad.
N38.
Dude, we gotta get this.
B7. G55. N32. B5. N41. N36. I-24. B3. G48. N43. 062. 072.
Alright, that should be good, though. That should
N39.
help a lot.
I-20. N45.
Nothing there.
064.
One there.
G47.
Three's not great. Four's that was good.
B4.
Not bad. Okay, that was
N31.
good. Come on,
066.
now we're doing better.
I-16.
Now we're doing better. Alright, we
065.
should be getting bingos here
B11.
any
Bingo.
second. There we go.
I-20.
Okay.
Bingo.
There's another bingo.
I-27.
Alright.
N34.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Okay.
Time.
More bonus balls.
N33.
Let's max out here. Let's max out
G52.
here.
G51.
Last chance.
070.
Uh-oh.
I-21.
Here's the last chance. Oh! Alright, we got 5 bingos, though. Alright. $5,500, okay. I feel like your best bet is Wheel of Fortune. We've already done that twice. What else could we do? I mean, what was that one rock music thing? It was rock version, whatever. Not rock mode, that was weird. Bet 2,000. Not bad. There's some drums, nice. Oh, that should be good. Magic Sky Respins feature, alright. Come on. Oh. There we go. Alright, add 2 more spins. There we go. Come on. Let's get those 12Ks there. 10Ks, 6Ks. Come on. Alright, every time I get one, add 2 spins. Alright, there we go. There we go. Come on, fill it all the way up. Alright, come on. We have to get something. There we go. Alright, 2 left. Come on. Come on. Alright, last respin. Alright, add 3 more. Come on, fill it up all the way. All the way. Come on. Alright, last one, I think. Yeah, last one. Come on. Oh, we did it. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Alright, we're gonna get some good bank here. Alright, we're gonna get a good win here, guys. That's gonna be 54,000 right there. Nice. Very nice. 54,000. Very good. And there goes the money confetti. Nice. Alright. Back to back? Oh. 56,800. I don't remember what the bonus was like. I don't remember. 1920, okay. 160. Alright, come on. Come on. Almost at level 12. I'm gonna get the mini. And some base. Why does it look like the president? Oh wait, I get it. Mount Rushmore, Mount Rockmore. That's Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, and oh, I want to say, oh my god, John Adams, James Madison. I'm not sure. Okay, no, that's not James Madison. William Henry Harrison. I'm not sure. This one in the right corner. I'm sorry, guys. I know you love the history. I'm sorry, but. And there's Thomas Jefferson, I know that one. I want to say that's John Adams, I'm not sure. Alright, come on. Alright. There we go, and we have some piano going. Oh, fuck, cut! Oh, only 66,000. No, 6,640. And there we go. Alright, not bad. Come on. 1920, come on. 1,120. Alright, come on, we gotta get something here. Alright, we're trying to auto spin here. Last second. Oh, no way! No way! No way! Yes! First auto spin of the auto spin session. Bonus. Middle. 8 free spins out of the lowest number, but it's okay. At least it's free spins. Alright. Not bad. Okay. There we go, okay, what is this gonna be? Oh! That was good! 19,400. Come on. Alright, not bad, this is still counting up. 24,000 bonus, so there's ones up. That's fun, alright. 25,200. Come on. Last spin. Oh, I like that. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. And we're taking Oh, not bad. So that's gonna get us over 2,000. Yes! Oh wait, no it didn't. Never mind. Alright, we're at level 12 now. American Fireworks is unlocked. Alright, try something new. What the crap? Let's do it. I don't like the music to this, I will say. And we're trying something new. 960, alright. 8,000. And yes, we got some of the bonus. What that is? Yeah, we did get the bonus. Nice. It's freaking such a lot more. Nice. Alright. And here's the fireworks. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, look how fast it's going. Whoa. Whoa. 8,760. And here's the fireworks. Oh, that's gonna be bigger. Oh, Jesus, look how fast it's going. Wow. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! I was not expecting it to be that much. Left. 86,760. Oh, we gotta get over 100,000. We have to. Almost bonus again. Alright, last spin. 87,000 right here. Come on. Oh! Oh! Wilds. Come on. Come on. Get to 100,000. Is he gonna get there? Yo! Whoa! We overkilled it! Nice! 160,560! Holy Jesus, guys! Unbelievable! Almost 300,000 we're up to now. You know what? That will be the end of today's video. I'm not wasting any more tokens. Not that I was. That kind of was, but we're having concerns with the second rebuild. That will do it. And yeah. And yeah, shout out to Asia for subscribing. She is awesome. And yeah, that will do it for the video. That was crazy. It's a crazy win to end the video. Yeah, I do like that song. We'll definitely be playing that more often. We'll definitely come back to that one, American Fireworks. That'll do it. And as we always say, let's go!